Hey, so that's my new catch. A treasure, right?
Hello, Rick. Seriously, the car is a mess. Where did you find it? At a junkyard?
In fact, I did.
What, really?
Yes, but it's a GT 2015 and it cost me almost nothing.
Can't deny the pawn shop legend in you. We can save the engine, but the rest will have to go.
I trust you can do it. I will get something better next time. Hello, how's the progress? It's half a month already.
Hello, Rick. The engine is finished and the hood is ready for paintwork.
Make it impressive. Like I always say, the looks sell.
You gonna like this then? I added a special flame-blazing turbo. That's gonna make a hell of an impression.
Flame blazing? It better not end up like the last time, when I had to call the firefighters.
Don't worry, I tuned it just right this time. It's safe, almost.
What do you mean by almost, Max?
Okay, but if the car burns down, the repair is gratis.
Sure thing, boss, I promise. You will be happy. Flames and power. What more could you ask for?
Hello, everyone. So is my car ready?
Hey, Rick. Yes, it looks brand new.
Great. I can't wait.
Don't forget about the flame-blazing turbo. I'm sure you're gonna have a hellish ride.
Okay, looking forward to trying it out. Hope the cops won't get me for illegal fireworks.
Enjoy, Rick. And if anybody asks, it's the Mad Max special tuning.
Thanks, folks. I will take it for a drive and show it to my customer. He will be as happy as I am, for sure.